Working with variables is really a two-step process. The first step is always setting apart the memory space for that variable where you can store values, and the other one is actually storing values in that memory space. And you can do them at the same time, or you can do them separately and later on change things again. So variable initialization over here basically means that we give it an initial value. That's why we call it initialization. And let's look at the different types of variables that we have over here. Over here on line 9 we have a string where the memory space is allocated, and then immediately we put February in it. On line 10 over here we have an integer declared year, which means that we set aside some other memory space, 4 bytes, but since we don't give it the initial value immediately, it just stores the default value 0. We also declare another integer called days, and immediately after declaring that memory space we put the value 29 in it. Now at this point over here, year is some memory space where 0 is the value in it. Now over here we're going to put the value 77.6 in it. And you also can see that for both the ones that have been immediately initialized over here like days, and the ones that started off with the default 0, we can now change these values again over here in years and in days. Question over here, you see that first we have year over here 77.6, and then over here now we store 77.7 in it. Is this initialization? Think about this for a moment. And of course this is not initialization. It does not get an initial value but a follow-up value.